Yeah, you will go there. Knock, knock. Okay. Okay, slowly. Oops. Oops. What will you say to teacher? Ayun.
Good morning.
Hi, good morning, teacher. Your sleeper, babe. Siya pa, teacher?
Yes, ma'am. Wala pa
Ano, sayo-sayo, may dairon.
What's sa iyang middle name, ma'am?
Puspos.
P.
P.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, ba?
Sige, thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
teacher.